Welcome. In this video, we are going to see what is CTC loss.
Get it?
Got it.
CTC stands for Connectionist Temporal Classification loss.
Got it.
To begin with, where do we use it? It's usually used in sequence-to-sequence task. And the important key point is alignment between input and output if it is unknown or if it is a variable. In that specific case, we use CTC loss.
You got it? Got it!
Two of the implementations of CTC loss are first is ASR models, which is speech recognition models, and second is handwriting recognition. If you guys see in both of these models, input and output both are variable. For example, in ASR model, if the speech is of some 890 characters, not necessarily the output will also be in of 890 characters.
You got it? Got it!
Second thing is both the input and output of ASR models are sequential vector.
You got it? Got it!
So I want to discuss few key concepts of CTC loss, which may come handy to you. First is variable length input and output. So as I told you,
You never told me that one.
the input and output should be sequential, which is a necessary thing, but the input and output length can be variable. It is not necessary that length of input should match length of output. Next thing is there is no strict alignment between them. There are blank tokens, and blank token is
all blank and no blank makes blank or blank.
essentially used in CTC loss because it basically maps the frames with a blank character. So for example, if someone is saying cat with a elongated pronunciation, what we can do is we can add blank tokens, which basically goes hand in hand with variable length input and output.
C for cat.
And lastly, it is multiple valid alignments are there. So let's say only for pronunciation k, there can be only one frame C, but for a, which is like 3 frames of A, it will be mapped to only one frame of handwritten text A. This is basically multiple valid alignments. And the most important thing is negative log likelihood. So CTC loss computes the sum of negative log likelihood over all the sequences. To explain you what negative log likelihood is, it is basically the measurement of how far the predictions of this model are correct from the targeted sequence. So in order to know this, what we do is uh, so negative log likelihood is another concept, like whole another concept. There's a concept called as log likelihood. But to tell you in short, CTC uses negative log likelihood, and negative log likelihood measures how far the model's prediction are from the correct target sequence. So in this video, in this short video, I just wanted to tell you what is CTC loss in CRNN and convolution recurrent neural network and task which have ASR models have key concepts as a CTC loss is a key concept. If I tell you there's Web2 model also has CTC loss in it. This is the paper of CTC loss, which is a
You got it? Got it!